Now, if you watched my last video, you may be thinking, that's beautiful, but I've seen this shot already. That's because behind every great drone shot is a drone recovery story.
No, thank you. I have some.
Alongside some newly met companions, we embarked on a day trek up the foothills of the Himalayas. Coming across a viewing tower, I, like any silly tourist, saw it fit for some cinematic shots. Although when the battery turned low, it returned home. It was at this point I realized it had landed on the top of the tower's roof, and with the erratic mountain weather packing in, it was now myself, my new Nepali friends, and a race against the clock. I think I should go.
No, no.
It's my drone.
You never told people on your drone. I don't know how I get.
Gathering resources from the nearby village, in exchange we were now their afternoon entertainment.
Let me just say. I got.
Don't kill anyone. Don't kill anyone.
It's okay.
No.
I just say.
No.
Communicating mostly in body language, everyone wanted to help, regardless, but the rescue was no success until we were shown up by the local climbing extraordinaire.
Oh my god. Fuck.
Service to others is the rent you pay for your room here on Earth. And the people of Nepal never forget
The fucking drone!
to pay for this beautiful country tenfold.
Finally!
I am never gonna forget this random tower in this random village in this pretty random but amazing country. So 2 hours later, we frickin' got the drone. That was the most messed up experience I've had in Nepal, but it was amazing. A great memory. The whole town seemed like they were watching, and we exhausted like every single possibility. We used a ladder. We used a lasso, we tried to climb up, but in the end we got it. This is just a little bonus video because I didn't expect to be making this, but thanks for watching. Keep updated with my videos. I'll see you later.